Welcome to our YouTube video on Mastering Passive Income Strategies for Financial Freedom in 2023. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of passive income has become increasingly popular as individuals strive for financial independence and freedom. In this video, we will delve into the world of passive income, exploring various strategies that can help you generate income streams that work for you even while you sleep. From real estate investments to online businesses and dividend stocks, we'll uncover proven methods and provide valuable insights to help you master the art of passive income in the year 2023. Get ready to take control of your financial future and unlock the pathways to true financial freedom. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, achieving financial freedom has become a highly sought-after goal. People are increasingly looking for ways to generate passive income to secure their financial futures and create a life of abundance and flexibility. In 2023, the landscape of passive income strategies continues to evolve, presenting new opportunities and challenges. Mastering these strategies is crucial for individuals wishing to attain financial freedom and enjoy its benefits. This article will explore some of the most effective passive income strategies to consider in 2023. Dividend stocks. If you buy a stock that pays dividends, the corporation will pay you regularly. Companies typically distribute dividends every quarter, and the more shares you own, the greater the dividend payment you will receive. Consider dividend-yielding ETFs and mutual funds if you don't want to choose individual stocks. It's important to keep in mind that even high-yield equities require a sizable initial investment to generate a profit that may support a family. One dividend aristocrat that has consistently paid a dividend for the course of its existence is the pharmaceutical business AbbVie. Dividends are only paid out at a rate of about $5 per share annually. You would need to own 8,000 shares of AbbVie stock, valued at $1,272,000 as of March 29, 2023, to make $40,000 annually from it. To establish a well-rounded investing strategy that suits your financial goals and risk tolerance, it could be beneficial to speak with a financial advisor. One example of a financial advisor service that can put you in touch with knowledgeable financial advisors in your area to offer individualized investment advice and guidance is Wiser Advisor. Investing in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit, CD. One type of timed savings account is a certificate of deposit, CD. You can invest for as little as 6 months or as long as 5 years. The bank will offer you a specific interest rate on your deposit, and it will routinely deposit that interest into your CD account, often monthly. In recent months, CDs have gained popularity as interest rates have increased from historically low levels to as high as 5%. CIT's 11-month, no-penalty CD with a return of up to 4.9% and a $1,000 minimum initial deposit is a great choice. Terms apply. Keep in mind that a gain of $490 at 4.9% on an 11-month CD with a $10,000 value. Affiliate marketing. When you share and suggest things to others through affiliate marketing, you are paid a commission each time the product is purchased. Social media, websites, and email newsletters are common platforms for people to post their affiliate links. Although you might not need to put much money into this passive income stream, getting it going could require a lot of time and work. People with fewer than 1,000 followers find it more difficult to persuade affiliates to add them as partners, and when you have 50,000 or more followers, you start to make the most money. According to a poll by the influencer marketing blog Hype Auditor, micro-influencers, those with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, make an average of $1,420 a month, while mega-influencers, those with more than 1 million followers, make an average of $15,356. Real estate investing. You must buy, prepare, and manage a property if you want to generate consistent rental revenue. Once established, renting it out can give you a reliable source of revenue, whether you're doing it temporarily or permanently. A website like Realty Mogul can be a good option to look into if you're interested in real estate investing but don't want to handle property management yourself. Through the real estate investment portal Realty Mogul, people may buy commercial real estate for as little as $5,000. Investors have access to a variety of real estate investments through the platform, including rental homes, businesses, and development projects. Through a website like Realty Mogul, you can potentially earn rental income without the inconvenience of managing a property yourself by investing in a diversified portfolio of properties. Peer-to-peer lending. You lend money to borrowers in this kind of personal loan as a peer. You'll receive payment in the form of interest. You can spread out the money you invest or lend to others to help lower the chance of borrower default. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. With a real estate investment trust, REIT, a fund that invests in real estate and gives you a sizable dividend, you can earn a less demanding but less lucrative return on real estate investments. You are not required to buy and manage your property using a REIT. Instead, you invest in stocks of businesses that own office buildings, hotels, and apartment buildings. You'll receive consistent dividends in exchange. However, similar to the aforementioned dividend stocks, you might need to put in a sizable sum of money to receive a return that will allow you to support yourself. Rent out parking space. You can make money by renting out a parking space or other area for cars on your property if you don't use it. Some people may wish to leave their automobiles parked while they travel or while they commute to and from work. If you have the resources, you might even think about renting out a spot for people to park their huge vehicles, such as RVs or boats. Rent out a room in your home. You can start in real estate investing by renting out a room in your house rather than buying and renting out an entire house. It might be for a brief period, similar to Airbnb, for several months, or even just as a place for someone to store their belongings. Sell designs or art online. Do you enjoy drawing or are you a photographer? Consider creating a website or online store where you may sell digital downloads of your artwork or photographs, such as Etsy. Without any technical knowledge, anyone can easily construct a website that looks professional using platforms like Squarespace. Use the Time10 coupon code for 10% off. You'll need to market your work after you set it up to increase sales. Create an online product. Most likely, you'll need an engaged audience that will purchase your goods. You can provide ebooks, online courses, or even seminars where you instruct others in a skill they'd like to master. What is passive income? Regular income that is generated without the need to work for a job or an employer is known as passive income. It doesn't require any employment where you actively seek payment for a service you provide. Rent versus wages is another approach to contrast passive income with active revenue. Passive income requires less effort to sustain once you've made the initial time, money, and energy investment. You get paid for having things. Compound interest in your investments, for instance, can allow your passive income to generate revenue. What passive income is not? Passive income does not refer to a job or line of work that does not result in the creation of an asset that generates revenue. Passive income doesn't require you to work hard to make money. It's also not an investment that won't produce regular returns. How many income streams should you have? You are free to have as many sources of income as you choose, but the optimal number for you will depend on your objectives and available resources. It could be wise to limit the number of passive income streams you have till you have more time if you don't have much time to invest in creating several. Alternatively, if you have a tight budget, you might need to start modestly and gradually expand your resources. It is true that getting regular passive income initially requires some work, but the effort may be rewarded. Consider how much time and money you can invest in it right now when choosing which passive income stream to pursue. You might wish to seek the assistance of a financial counselor to help you better manage your money as your salary increases. As we wrap up this video on mastering passive income strategies for financial freedom in 2023, we hope you've gained valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your journey toward financial independence. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, effort, and a strategic mindset. It's about creating systems and assets that work for you, generating income even when you're not actively involved. Whether you choose real estate, online businesses, or other investment avenues, stay focused, be patient, and continuously educate yourself in the ever-evolving world of passive income. With determination and the right strategies, you can build a sustainable financial future that provides you with the freedom to live life on your terms. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your success in achieving financial freedom through passive income in 2023 and beyond.